How to enable display over other apps Android. So for this, you have to go ahead and open your phone setting. So go ahead and do that firstly. From this list of settings option, scroll down and then tap on Apps. From here, select the option of All Apps. Now you can search for the application or scroll down and browse through this list of options. For the sake of the video, I'll be choosing the application of Messenger. Then tap on it. From here, you have to select Permissions option first and foremost to check if there is a display over other app option right here. If you cannot find in there, scroll down and under Advanced, you should find the option called Display over other apps. Simply tap on it. Now make sure that the Allow Display over other apps is toggled on to the right hand side. Now make sure that the application that you want to allow the display over also have the feature to be displayed over the application. For an example, in this application, as you can see, there is no option of display over other apps, which means that the application itself is not built with the feature. So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.